My favorite part about working here is a few different aspects. One of them is the people. We have a lot of different people here, a lot of people who I came in here as co-workers with, and now I consider good friends of mine. The challenges that you face every day, some of them can be daunting, some of them can be easy breezy. You get right through them, but every day is different. You never walk in, it's the same repetitive thing. It's always something different, something new, and rising to that challenge and seeing how you can overcome it. It's a good feeling.
So our process, we have a facility at US Drop Forge in Swedesboro, and they make our raw material. So we're self-sufficient in making our raw forgings, and they come over here. They go through various work centers, and through the process, and we complete a finished part.
We are selling these to industrial and commercial customers. They are going into our military submarines. They're going into our nuclear power plants. They are going into hospitals.
What we do is we get a lot involved, such as yourself with What's So Cool with Manufacturing. We try to outreach to communities that need help. Even during Christmas time, we run contests to be able to help people in our community, provide food and things to the needy.
Definitely number one, dependability. You got to be here. In manufacturing, and this goes manufacturing 101, you have to be here. Machines have to run, you have to be here to run them. So being dependable and being here on time every day is paramount in manufacturing. And then secondary, if you're here, we work with you personality-wise and everything else, and everybody seems to get along and learning together, always constantly a student of learning.
Manufacturing is a very interesting career path for many people. If you like problem solving, if you like doing things and not just the same repetitive work day to day, it's a really fun, it's a really great, it's a very rewarding field to get into, especially because you directly impact not only your local community but a global community as well.